Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your font size in Gmail, especially using the app. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if I go ahead and open up Gmail, you can see the font is quite small, and if I go back to my home screen, you can see all my app fonts are quite small as well. So there's a solution for this. So what you want to do is open up your settings app on your device. Now from here, you want to scroll down and click on display. Scroll down again and look for font size and style. It will be in the middle of the display page. And now, as you can see down the bottom, it says font size. You can move the slider left to right to increase it. So if I choose option number 3 here, if I go back, you can see my app names are a little bit bigger. And if I go back to Gmail, my Gmail is bigger in font as well, so it's a larger font size. So you can just adjust it to how big or how small you want your font size to be inside Gmail.